Hey pretties, are you ready for this? Let's talk about brows. Now we all know makeup is art, so can't nobody tell you anything. So my process is to focus on the concealer. So in this video, I'm going to use the Peach Perfect Concealer from Too Faced Cosmetics in the shade Toasted. Now as you can see, this color has a yellow undertone, so it really jumps out against my brows. So I won't even have to put in a lot of brow product at the end of my look because I'm starting out with the concealer that's giving me such a bright highlight to begin with. I'm using the MAC Cosmetics brush number 212, the flat definer, to highlight my eyebrows. I love the stiffness of this brush, and the concealer I'm using is matte, so it's able to diffuse it easily and quickly. Also remember, you don't have to stick to the same exact brands that I'm using. Just stick to the shapes of the brush when you're shopping. To make life easier, I'm using a foundation brush to blend out my concealer. For this look, I'm using the Too Faced Cosmetics Mr. Perfect foundation brush because she has so much body. She's able to blend creams, liquids, and powders really easily, so I don't have any harsh marks left over. It just looks blended into my skin beautifully. I'm going to follow the same process on the opposite side of my face, and take notice of the fact that I did it separately. I didn't put concealer on both brows right away because it is matte. I didn't want it to dry. So take your time and do it one side at a time. Even though this was a brow video, I still wanted you to see the finished look so you can see that even though my concealer choice was very bright, at the end it all comes together to bring out my natural highlights. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the page, like the video, and share it with somebody else.